So this is doggy sit-ups.
Doggy sit-ups. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Okay. Good
Yay!
job. Good job. Okay, again. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. Down.
Lance is like, no.
Okay. There's another one. Hey, sit.
She's like, I don't want
You
to.
get yours last because you didn't do as well as Lance. Okay, Lance and Sally get extra. Okay. Sit. Wait, we gotta finish chewing.
Sally's taking her time.
Okay, down. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. Sit. Okay, that's good.
You can tell he favors the leg with the left leg with the elbow.
Oh, right.
He's slowing her to go down.
Sore.
I don't think it's sore. I think it's just because it pops out. What he does is he lifts it and then he lays down.
Okay.
And then when he sits back up, he does all of his weight's on his right leg.
Yeah.
Good dog.